Welcome to our channel, where we help you get ready for your U.S. citizenship journey. In this video, you'll watch a full U.S. citizenship interview, including the personal information questions, English reading and writing tests, and the full civics test with updated questions. This is a real-style mock interview, based on actual USCIS officer questions. So you'll know exactly what to expect at your own interview. Whether you're applying soon or helping a family member, this video is your step-by-step guide to prepare with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss an important update.
Elena Fernandez?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Edlow, and I'm going to take your citizenship interview. Please follow me.
Sure. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. And how about you?
I am also great. Thanks for asking. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I believe in the form of government and want to vote.
What makes you eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
Did you have any trouble finding our building?
No, officer, it was quite easy.
How long have you been waiting for me?
I have been waiting for about 1 hour.
I am sorry to have kept you waiting.
No worries, officer.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took 30 minutes to get here.
How was the traffic today?
Not too bad.
Do you need to use the restroom before we start?
No, I am fine. Thank you for asking.
How did you get here today?
My husband drove me here.
Where is your husband now?
He is waiting outside for me.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Sure.
Do you have any physical disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding any part or question of the naturalization exam?
No.
If you do not understand any question, feel free to ask me to repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Okay. Let's start by going over your application. Can I see your green card, passport, and any other documents you brought with you today?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Before starting your interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what take an oath means?
It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
Can you verify your social security number, please?
1705-81105.
How did you become a lawful permanent resident?
Through a petition for alien relative.
What is the best number to reach you?
602-09-81068.
When is your date of birth?
March 12th, 1990.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No.
Were your parents married before your 18th birthday?
No.
Where do your parents live now?
They live in Cuba.
Where were you born?
I was born in Havana, Cuba.
What is your full name?
My name is Alina Maria Fernandez.
Please spell your last name.
Fernandez.
What is your current legal name?
Alina Maria Fernandez.
Have you used any other names?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed?
Yes, I'm married.
What is your current spouse's date of birth?
His date of birth is July 11th, 1985.
Do you file your taxes jointly with your spouse?
Yes, officer.
How many times did your spouse marry?
Once.
What is your spouse's name?
My spouse's name is Carlos Fernandez.
How is your spouse's legal status in the United States?
He is a U.S. citizen.
Can I have your marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What does your spouse do?
He does a job in a private company.
Have you had any previous marriages?
No.
Have you brought any document that may prove your marriage legitimate?
Yes. Here are a few documents along with few photos with my spouse and our families since our marriage program.
Thank you. How did you meet your current spouse?
My father and my spouse's father are a childhood friend, and they arranged our marriage.
Wow, that's great. When did you get married?
We got married on June 20th, 2015.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What are your children's names and ages?
Our son, Michael, is 8 years old, and our daughter, Emily, is 5 years old.
Have you brought their birth certificates with you?
Yes, officer.
Can you please show me?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What is your children's relationship with you?
They are my biological children.
Have you lived in another address before your current address in last 5 years?
No.
Has your address changed since you've submitted your application?
No.
What is your mailing address?
1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
How long have you lived at this address?
We've lived there for about 6 years.
Where do you currently live?
We live at 1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
Where else have you lived the last 5 years?
I have been living at the same address since last 5 years.
Do you have any military service?
No, I do not.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on March 7th, 2020.
How do you support yourself?
I do job in a private firm.
Oh, that's great. Where do you work? And what's your position?
I work as a software engineer at Tech Solutions, Inc.
How long have you been with your current employer?
I've been with them for 4 years.
Have you had any other jobs in the past 5 years?
Yes, before this job, I worked at Innova Tech for 3 years.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
Is there any new trip outside of the United States since you submitted your application?
No.
Were any of your trips for 6 months or more?
No.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
To attend a family program.
Can you list the countries you visited and the dates of travel?
Sure. I visited Canada in July 2023, the UK in December 2024, and Mexico in June 2025.
How long did you stay on your last trip?
I stayed for about 1 week.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, I haven't.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S.?
No, I don't.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
No, I don't.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local animal shelters and help organize community tree planting events.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes, officer.
Let's go through civics test to check your knowledge about United States history, government system, economic policy, Constitution, and few others. I'll ask you up to 20 questions, and you need to answer at least 12 correctly to pass.
Okay.
Have you prepared for the civics test?
Yes, I studied a lot.
Great. If you don't listen or understand any question clearly, ask me to repeat that. Okay.
Okay.
Please listen carefully to each question. The nation's first motto was, E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
We all become one.
Why does each state have 2 senators?
Equal representation for small states.
Name the 3 branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Who appoints federal judges?
The President.
Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent?
People in their district.
Why is the Declaration of Independence important?
It says America is free from British control.
Why is it important to pay federal taxes?
Required by law.
Name one U.S. military conflict after the September 11, 2001 attacks.
War in Afghanistan.
What is Independence Day?
The country's birthday.
Why did the United States enter the Korean War?
To stop the spread of communism.
Name 2 promises that new citizens make in the Oath of Allegiance.
Give up loyalty to other countries. Obey the laws of the United States.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their district.
Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators?
To follow public opinion more closely.
What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain?
War for American independence.
Why were the Federalist Papers important?
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
The Civil War had many important events. Name one.
Lincoln was assassinated.
There were 13 original states. Name 5.
New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, South Carolina.
What was the Great Depression?
Longest economic recession in modern history.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No. Never.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, officer.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, officer.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, officer.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever lied to the U.S. government to get immigration benefits?
No.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No. Never.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, officer.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. Never.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I haven't.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to US.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What was the first U.S. capital?
Great. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. New York City was the first capital. Great! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer. Thank you so much.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, officer.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I haven't.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, officer.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
No.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No, never.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. Never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No. Never.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No. Never.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No. Never.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No. Never.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes. I have occasionally provided financial assistance to a family member living abroad to help with essential needs. It was done out of care and responsibility. And I have always complied with U.S. laws and regulations regarding such support.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No. Never.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, I haven't.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Congratulations! You have passed the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now I want you to review all of the information on the tablet to make sure it's accurate. Let me know if there are any mistakes.
Yes, officer. Everything looks good.
Great! So please sign the box on the tablet to affirm that everything you've said during the interview and all the evidence that you've submitted is complete and true.
Okay.
Thank you. Please review the Oath of Allegiance section. Make sure you agree to all the statements. Then you can print your name and sign and date on the tablet.
Okay.
Thank you. Just give me a minute. I need to run a quick background check and copy all your documents.
Sure. Take your time, please.
All right. Thank you for patience. I have reviewed your application and everything seems to be in order. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do have a question. What documents do I need to take with me on the date of Oath of Allegiance?
No worries about that. You will have the detail on the letter regarding the oath ceremony.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You will receive a letter in the mail with the date and time for your oath ceremony.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too.